To install an app on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is easy. You're going to begin by opening up the app screen, and then you're going to select the Google Play Store. From here, you can now be able to just search for that specific app. Now, you can choose to use the on screen keyboard to type it out, or you can choose to use your voice assistant to search for that specific app. So, let's say, for example, I'm looking for SoundCloud. You can see here it's now it's now written it out, so I just need to search. And then I should be able to see it in the lists of search results. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the option install and confirm that you wish to install it on your phone as well, because it does need you to be installed on your phone. And then simply wait for it to be installed. And now you can use it on your Galaxy Watch 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.